Hi, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be covering 2 feet. One's called a hammer foot, and it's to make a rolled hem. And this one is for a blind hem. So let's get started. So the first one we're going to use is for the rolled hem. This one here I find the trickiest one to get started, but once you get started, it makes such a nice hem. The hardest part is getting it to go through like this. So what you want to do is just go slow at first to get it started, and just keep this folded. That makes such a nice, even, really small hem. So that's pretty easy, but the hardest part for these is to get the fabric in there and started. Another use for this pressure foot is you can put an elastic in here, like this. Get your fabric. And set it to zigzag. A larger zigzag that wouldn't touch the elastic, so it needs to be a little wider than the elastic. You've sewn in some nice elastic there. Pull it, I just pulled it slightly, so I just had a slight gather, but you can pull it as tight as you want and make it a tighter gather. So these little feet aren't only just for hemming. You can even put yarn in there, or ribbon, and have it sew over a ribbon. So next we're going to use the blind hem foot. It looks like this. So I finished the raw edge already, and I pressed it to where I would want the hem to be. And then what I'm going to do is fold it in like this, close to that edge. And of course you can go closer if you want. And that little thing here stops it from moving. So I know everyone's machine is different, but the next thing we have to do is set the machine to do a blind hem stitch, which looks like this. And it'll look like that. And then on the right side of your fabric, you'll have to press it flat, but you won't be able to see the stitch. Of course, you're going to be using matching thread. I have blue fabric and I'm using white thread. So that's what it looks like. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the second in a series that we're going to be doing with covering different pressure feet, different sewing tricks and tips and techniques. If this is something you're interested in, please subscribe and have a great day.